This product is for racing only. Blocking the airbag alert is considered as an action out of personal will. Zestek and 777 are not responsible for loss in street accidents in all forms. Installation is deemed to be consent.
To begin the installation, we will be disconnecting the battery using a 10mm socket. Ensuring that the battery is disconnected and the car no longer has power, locate the pair of T30 bolts that retain the airbag in place. They are on opposing sides of the steering column. With the bolts removed, we can pull back on the airbag and begin to remove the 3 electrical connectors that remain tethered. We can then use a 10mm hex bit socket to remove the bolt that fastens the wheel to the steering wheel column. Then, remove the connector that powers the steering wheel buttons from the clock spring. The OEM steering wheel should now be free to remove. We can now take this time to insert the supplied airbag resistors. Now, take your steering wheel hub adapter and feed the airbag wires alongside the included wiring harness through the cutout. Align one of the 6 threaded pockets on the hub adapter with the top center of the steering column. After that, replace the 10mm bolt and torque it to 36 pound-feet. We will then take the supplied protocol board and plug it into our new clock spring pigtail. Then take the male side of the quick release off your steering wheel and connect it to the protocol board. We can now use a 3mm Allen key to tighten down the male quick release onto the hub adapter. Note, since the shooting of this video, the flat portion of the male quick release goes on the bottom. We can now reconnect the battery and begin programming the steering wheel. Check the description of this video to download the Zestek software in order to map the buttons of the hub. Connect the hub to your Windows computer using the supplied USB-C connector. With the hub programmed and functionality tested, your installation is complete.